Hello everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a Tron transaction using the Docs app in 2025. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll walk you through the step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Docs application on your device. Once you're in, head over to the wallet section. Now connect your wallet to the app. Make sure you have TRX in your wallet, both for the transaction itself and gas fees. Next, tap on the start button. This will take you to the Tron transaction page. Here you will see an option to send Tron. Use the slide bar to adjust the amount you want to send. Then slide it forward to initiate the transaction. At this point, the system will begin processing. You might see a quickly security check and loading screen. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Once it's done, you'll see a done confirmation. It means your Tron transaction was successful. Finally, go back to the Docs app and check your transaction details to confirm everything went through. And that's it. You have just completed a Tron transaction in the Docs app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.